Hey everybody, the horse racing kid is signing on. The handicap races from Beulah Park here on Friday, February the 26th, 2010. Please note Aqueduct Racetrack here in New York is canceled due to a big snowstorm. Race number 7 from Beulah is claim race, 5.5 furlongs, purse $3,500. Fellows Mares 3-year-old which never won 3 races in 2009 or 2010. Field 9, I'm going with number 5, Heavily Tricked at 3-1. Last time out the run up, Beulah 6 furlongs, came in won by 6 1/4 lengths at 9-1. Beulah again, run up Beulah at 5.5 furlongs, won by 9.5 lengths. A fifth at Beulah on a good going. Fast going came in fourth. A third at Beulah and an eighth at Beulah. Going with this one had to work out Indiana Downs 5 furlongs on the mud in 105. Hoosier 5 furlongs in 102. Hoosier 5 furlongs in 104. So yeah, some good workouts. 41 and 7, 7-2 on the Beulah main. So yeah, so recap my bets for race number 7 from Beulah Park. I like the 5. So it's the horse racing kid sign off for number. Good luck.